A very good morning to all of you. This is Harshad Karmakar from CNN News. Well, let's take a quick look at today's top stories first. Quick Chamber Maharashtra on Monday. Koinadam is safe according to the officials. SSC exams to commence from Monday. Bad news for the investors. Section 80L is gone. Shakti Kapoor apologizes, says he has already SMS'd the apologies to the concerned people. And finally, the Kolkata test to begin from today. Well, now news in brief. The Quake Wish Chamber Maharashtra on Monday is said to be 5.1 on Richter scale, and according to the officials, the Koinadam is safe, and their officials have asked people not to panic and keep their cool. Moving ahead, SSC exams have commenced from Monday, and already a bad news of a boy committing a suicide of the first paper of Marathi language. Well, we at CNN seriously believe that SSC exams are not the end of life, so we have provided you with an opportunity to beat your nerves with our special bulletin, Beat the Nerves, which will guide people how to face their fear. Section 80L is gone, which is very bad for the investors, as according to the Section 80L, the account which we used to give you 3.5% will give only 2.45% from now onwards, and the SBI account is going to give only 4.38% instead of 6.25%. Moving ahead, Shakti Kapoor was under the controversies according to the sources, and now he has answered the controversies partially by saying that he has given his apologies to the concerned people, and the journalist was persuading him for 6 months, as a result which led him to the controversy. Moving ahead, the Kolkata test is beginning from today, and the pitch is said to be very spinner friendly. That's why the coach is likely to play both the spinners. And the match is going to begin at 9:30 a.m. sharp, so tune into your sets. This is it from now from CNN News. Tune into our special bulletins at 12 o'clock.